So let me cover a little bit about the equipment, the rods, line setup, and things that I like to use with the 10 finisher. Now this is obviously a little bit heavier bait, being 1 ounce, so accordingly I'm going to use a little bit heavier rod, something with a lot more backbone than what I would with, say, a small jig. Nice fast tip though. So Landon's a little bit shorter, so I put him in a little bit shorter rod here. It's 6'8", medium extra fast action, so really good backbone in this Johnny Morris Signature Series 6'8" rod. Logan a little bit taller. I have him in a 7'1" Johnny Morris Platinum Signature Series rod. This is medium fast action. Really good backbone in this rod. Nice fast tip so you can get the hooks of these finishers into the walleyes. With a line setup, exactly like I would do with the 7s, the 9 finishers. 10-pound fire line on my main line to 3 to 4 foot, 15-pound fluorocarbon leader. And once again, we like to use that fluorocarbon leader because as you're working these baits, they're hopping side to side and you don't want them flipping up on themselves. Go after those deep suspended walleyes. You're gonna put a lot of fish on the boat out on Lake Erie in the East Basin.